Hello lettering friend, welcome to the pink and final episode in my Rainbow Styles series. Let's get right into it. This is the last video in my Rainbow Styles series, which means at the end of this video, I will show you the flip through of the whole cascading rainbow pages. I have to say they look amazing. I'll also show you what I did with the blank pages on the left side of my journal layouts. It turned out really cool. Anyway, getting into the pinks. I love pink, so I always like to make sure my brush pen sets have a pink. Just like my rant in the purple video, I definitely think there's a huge inconsistency between brands for what shades of pink there are. I don't love the fluorescent pink that a lot of brands use, but I like all the other shades of pink. If you've been doing this series in your journal, I'd love to hear your thoughts about it. I will turn on some music here, but I'll be back at the end to show you the final pages. Okay, are you ready to see? Look how cool this looks. So as you flip through, it's cascading down. You have each color of the rainbow. I ended up using washi tape on the left side because I just wanted to fill it with the color. It turned out so pretty. I used a few different shades of washi tape to kind of go along with how there were different colors with my markers, and I loved this series so much. Thank you for joining me and watching all of these videos. Let me know if you have ideas for my next series. I'll see you next time.